Bananas?
Plus it's cold.
It helps that it's cold?
Get a little bit of ginger.
Yeah, I hate warm bananas. They be all extra mush. What's up, guys? I haven't talked to you this morning yet. I just got back from the gym. As you can see, I just had bone broth, my toast, banana, peanut butter for my pre-workout snack. Now I'm just gonna change. Me and Teron are in the middle of filming some sponsored content, which involved the workout. So we were filming as we were working out. And then also we're about to get clips of me making breakfast. So I'm gonna show you behind the scenes, of course, of me making breakfast. Of course, you can tell, full day of eating. So I'm taking you to the day, showing you what we're eating. Let me change and then we're gonna go get started on breakfast. All right, here's breakfast. Protein coffee, drink this every single day. All it is, well, I do decaf. So decaf coffee, 1 scoop of protein powder, and then my inositol for PCOS, and then a little bit of unsweetened almond milk. And then I'm gonna be having 2 eggs and 3 strips of bacon. So that's breakfast. All right, I'm back and it's time to eat lunch. So we're gonna have some chicken thighs, which I'm gonna make a little gravy, and then I'm gonna put that over some potatoes. I usually have chicken with gravy over rice, but we're gonna be having shrimp bowls today, this week, so I'd rather save my rice for the shrimp. Preheat the oven to 400. We're gonna chop up and get the potatoes going first because those take 30 minutes, and then I will work on the chicken after that. Chicken thighs in here. Now something about me, I heavily season my chicken. Ain't that right, baby? Season. I'm gonna show you what I go in with every single time. Always the same seasonings. Garlic powder And these are chicken thighs that are in here, cleaned. Onion powder. And don't be shy. These don't have salt in them anyway. There's no salt in it. So you can go kind of heavy with it. Black pepper. I only put a little bit of black pepper because I also do lemon pepper. Then I go in with lemon pepper. And then ground mustard. You need ground mustard. And then smoked paprika. A little bit of parsley. And then last, sea salt. So what is this? 6. I put 8 things on my chicken thighs, but they hit every time. Every time. I know people put like oil, olive oil before they season it. I don't. And I do use a little nonstick spray on my pans, but that's it. I don't use oil. Okay. Okay, so look, when it comes to making gravy, I'm still a beginner, but it'd be good enough. I'm just quickly running through what I do. I use the same pan that has like all of the chicken bits and like burnt pieces and chicken oils in there. And then I'll add in a little bit of butter, and then I'll cook some onions and bell peppers. Cook that all down, then I'll put in some flour and mix that together. It's gonna be all clumpy. And then I pour chicken broth in there, I pour some garlic in there, and then I let it pretty much brown down. And then I'll add seasonings to taste. But that's pretty much all gravy is. Still list the ingredients down below, but I don't have specific measurements yet. Oh, and I might splash in just a little bit of soy sauce. I only do that because I remember my mom doing that when I was younger, so I do put a little splash of soy sauce in there. And I think it helps with color too. Lunch is done. We got our potatoes and chicken, just tons of gravy. Again, I just be adding stuff to the gravy. I go in with some seasonings. I put red pepper flakes in there because we love all things spicy. And I did end up putting a little bit of light sour cream, and that's only because I don't have any heavy cream. So if you want to put a little heavy cream in there too, you could do that. Just taste it as you go. So I was tasting it and then seeing what I needed to add to it. And then Dr. Pepper, of course. I got dinner. And then we're having dessert this week because my sweet tooth has been crazy. So I will be making sweets. I'll be back for dinner. here she is. Dinner. I'm gonna have it with some seaweed on the side and then a poppy. Shrimps are just easy. Like this whole process takes like 20 minutes. 15 if you're just cooking for yourself. The shrimp is literally the only thing you have to cook. I make these often. They're in a few of my full day of eatings. And then, you know, the rice, throw it in the microwave. The veggies, raw. So, yeah. I will be back for dessert. All right. I'm getting ready to, actually I'm just winding it down. It's a little bit later. I'm gonna do some reading before I go to bed, but I want something sweet. But I'm also gonna get a little bit of protein in with it, okay? So, let me show you what I'm having. The Chobani zero sugar, vanilla, zero lactose, no lactose. I haven't tried these yet, so I'll let you know right now if it's good. I'm gonna use half of a banana, not the full one. I had a half and I don't know where it went. I think Teron threw away my half from this morning's pre-workout snack. So I'm just take half of this one. And then I got a Fiber One bar and this is the brownie. I tasted the yogurt on its own and it's not bad. It just has like that very sugar-free like flavor. When you add stevia to something, it's like kind of extra sweet, but you can just tell it's slightly sugar-free. I feel like that's what this tastes like. But let's try it with everything. We got the banana and brownie. Yeah, this is really good. It tastes really good with everything together. And I bet you can just get different types of Fiber One bars, or you can put different types of fruit, like some berries or something in here. This is really, really good. Oh, I know what I'll be having every day. There's gonna be a wrap on today's full day of eating. Sorry, it's Tron is in their sleep, so I'm whispering right now. But if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And I will see you guys in the next video.